Hey, how you doing? It's Paul Farace. It's Christmas time again. You know what that means. Here come the gift lists. So I put together a unique list this year. It's got different gifts that you probably wouldn't really think of if you were buying for a photographer, and you might just surprise them. All these gifts are from $5 to $25. I wanted to keep it cheap and inexpensive, but I also wanted to make them like very useful and practical gifts. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video, guys. And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. I really appreciate it. Let's jump into it. All right, the first easy gift or stocking stuffer is lens cloths. We always lose these things. You never have enough. So like a pack, 5, 10 lens cloths, you can get them for $5, $10. It's a great gift, and it's kind of thoughtful because it's cheap, but it's something that you normally wouldn't get from someone who isn't a photographer. So great quick gift there. And going on that, number 2 is a lens pen. These things are great for cleaning your lenses in the field or even in the studio during a shoot. Nice and quick way to make sure your lens is clean. These are great to have. You can't have enough of them. One in the car, one in the bag, one in the studio. So easy, great gift is a lens pen. All right, number 3, fingerless gloves are so good because when you're in cold conditions, you gotta have gloves on because your hands are obviously freezing, but you still have to be able to work your camera controls. So the gloves without like the index finger and the thumb, or 2 fingers and a thumb is great to have. And it's a very thoughtful gift for a photographer or landscape photographer who shoots a lot in colder climates. All right, number 4, a hot shoe bubble pack. These things are awesome because I don't know any photographer who still has the little clip that goes on top of their hot shoe, because we all use hot shoe accessories and then we forget to put that clip on. And as soon as you leave that clip off, your weather sealing's just basically out the window. So these things are great to be able to use for level, for pano. You can get the 2-access ones, and they also protect our hot shoes. So it's great to have on there just when you're not using anything else. So it's an awesome gift that they probably wouldn't expect when they open that up. All right, number 5, micro multi-tool. These things are great in the field. We're always having to do something or fix something or cut something or rig something up. So these things are awesome. They're not too big, they're small, and they offer all the little tools that you probably will need in the field for small repairs and different things. All right, number 6, this thing's cool. It's a 360-degree like moving tripod head. It's for time lapses, and it is a bit small. It's not like gonna support a large camera, but you can use your phone or your action cam or even a small mirrorless, maybe APS-C camera with a small lens, and do some awesome time lapses. It's a pretty cool little thing to have in the bag, and you can get some great content out of it. All right, number 7, a smartphone tripod adapter. These are great to put your phone on a tripod. You can have a little pocket tripod or even a full size, and you can get tons of more control out of your phone. You can do long exposure shots. You can do different things like that. So it's always great to have in the bag because you never know when you're gonna use your phone for a video clip, a photo, or a time-lapse shot. So awesome gift. All right, number 8, dry bags. These are super handy because we always are chasing crazy weather and it's always raining, or I'm taking a kayak trip or something like that. Dry bags are essential to have, and it's a great gift. So I use these to put my camera and a lens or 2 in if I'm going through wet conditions, just to make sure that it's protected. So awesome gift, dry bags, and you can't go wrong with the price. All right, number 9, these little clip umbrellas can't be beat, 20 bucks. They come in handy big time when you're shooting in bright sun or you're shooting in rain to keep your camera dry, or also you can use it to kind of cut flare out of your shots. So it's a great tool. Doesn't work great in windy conditions and can get in the way, but when it's hot out or it's raining, they're a lifesaver. All right, I couldn't wrap the list up without a gift card. Can't go wrong with a gift card. Let people choose what they want to buy. It's great. It's not as thoughtful, but you kind of can't go wrong because they maybe were working towards a more expensive piece of gear, or whatever the case, they just want to choose what they're using. You can't go wrong with a gift card. So I hope you enjoyed this gift list. I tried to put some things together that were a bit different and not your standard photography list, and I also tried to keep it like under 25 bucks. So all these gifts can be had from $5 to $25, so you can't really go wrong. So if you have any photographers in your life, pick up a couple of these. They'll really thank you for it, and they probably won't expect it. All right, guys, see you next time.